everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary. A machine that redefines what it means to travel, live, and explore. This is the 2026 EarthRoamer style RAM Expedition Motorhome. A luxury mansion on wheels built for those who believe adventure shouldn't mean sacrificing comfort. And once you see what this beast can do, from its rugged exteriors to its jaw-dropping interiors, you'll understand why it's changing the way people think about life on the road. So, let's roll right into it. At first glance, this thing looks like it was designed for billionaires who got tired of private jets. The matte gray body gives it a stealthy, military-grade vibe. Sleek, bold, and beautifully minimal. You can instantly tell this isn't your average RV. Built on a RAM Power Wagon platform, it combines the toughness of a heavy-duty truck with the elegance of a luxury home. Up front, you've got that signature RAM grille, flanked by piercing LED headlights and a winch integrated right into the bumper. Because yes, this isn't just for show. It's meant to go places where normal RVs wouldn't even dare to dream. Look a little closer, and you'll spot the fine details. The blacked-out fender flares, the beadlock-style wheels wrapped in off-road tires, and a roof rack equipped with auxiliary lighting. Ready for night drives through mountain passes or desert dunes, every inch feels purpose-built and premium. The matte finish doesn't just look good, it's practical too. Less glare under sunlight, easier to clean after long trips, and a lot tougher against scratches. Around the back, there's a full-size spare tire mounted on a heavy-duty ladder frame, perfectly completing that expedition-ready look. But the real magic begins when you step inside. Open the door, and suddenly you're not in a rugged overlander anymore. You're inside a modern luxury apartment. The space feels warm, inviting, and impossibly well-designed for something that rides on a truck chassis. The living area greets you first. An L-shaped leather sofa that seats 2 or 3 people comfortably, with a foldable wooden dining table right in front. It's the kind of setup where you can sip coffee while watching the sunrise through those massive panoramic windows, complete with blackout shades for privacy at night. The LED ambient lighting tucked under the cabinets adds a soft glow that makes everything feel cozy and high-end. And when it's time to rest, that sofa easily transforms into a comfortable bed. Everything is modular, space-efficient, and elegantly executed. Right beside the lounge, you'll find a compact kitchen that could put most city apartments to shame. There's a stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet, a 2-burner induction cooktop, a 10-cubic-foot fridge, and even a microwave convection oven combo. The countertops are finished in quartz gray, giving it that clean, polished look. You get soft close cabinets, under-cabinet lighting, and a small pantry drawer. Everything you need for off-grid living without feeling cramped. It's the kind of space that reminds you luxury isn't about size. It's about how smartly everything is designed. Move toward the back, and you'll find the bedroom. Small, but surprisingly comfortable. There's a queen-size memory foam bed with built-in headboard storage, LED reading lights, and USB ports on both sides. The bedding feels plush. The wood veneer walls add warmth. And above, there's a skylight that opens up the night sky right from your bed. It's intimate, peaceful, and cleverly insulated to keep the temperature just right, no matter where you're parked. Now, no luxury motorhome would be complete without a proper bathroom. And this one nails it. You get a full wet bath setup, porcelain toilet, vessel sink, rainfall shower, and even a heated tile floor. The walls have a marble-like waterproof finish that gives the whole space a mini spa vibe. It's compact but feels premium, with chrome fixtures, towel warmer, and soft lighting that makes even a quick morning shower feel indulgent. The front cockpit, though, is where technology and adventure meet. The driver's cabin feels like the command center of a high-end off-road vehicle. There's a leather-wrapped steering wheel, digital gauge cluster, and a massive infotainment touchscreen with navigation, off-road modes, and full smartphone integration. The seats are heated, ventilated, and sculpted for long drives. There's ambient lighting, wireless charging, premium audio, and a pass-through opening that lets you walk straight into the living area without ever stepping outside. A small but thoughtful touch that shows how well this vehicle is engineered for convenience. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. Powering this beast is a 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel engine, one of the most reliable and torque-heavy engines in its class. It delivers the kind of power that can pull you up steep mountain trails or tow extra gear without breaking a sweat. Paired with a reinforced 4x4 drivetrain, upgraded suspension, and terrain management system, this isn't just a motorhome. It's a full-fledged expedition rig that can cross deserts, climb trails, and cruise highways with the same confidence. And despite all that muscle, the ride is surprisingly quiet and smooth, thanks to superior cabin insulation and advanced vibration dampening. When it comes to features, this motorhome checks every box imaginable. Solar panels on the roof feed a large lithium battery bank for off-grid power. There's an onboard water filtration system, climate control, Wi-Fi connectivity, and even satellite communication for remote travel. Every detail is crafted to make sure you can live comfortably, anywhere on Earth. Of course, all that luxury and capability doesn't come cheap. Pricing for the 2026 EarthRoamer-style RAM motorhome starts around $650,000 and can easily climb past $800,000 depending on customization. But for people who want to blend five-star living with go-anywhere freedom, it's worth every penny. You're not just buying a vehicle, you're buying independence, freedom, and the ability to take your home wherever the road leads. What really makes this motorhome special is balance. It's the rare kind of vehicle that feels just as at home parked in a luxury resort as it does in the middle of nowhere. It's both beautiful and brutally capable, a design that doesn't compromise comfort for toughness or vice versa. So, whether you're a traveler chasing sunsets, an adventurer exploring remote trails, or someone who just dreams of taking your home off the grid, this 2026 RAM EarthRoamer-style motorhome might be your ultimate escape machine. It's not just transportation, it's transformation, turning every road into a story and every stop into home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most advanced motorhomes ever built, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more automotive adventures, and tell us in the comments where you'd take this beast first. Until next time, travel smart, live free, and keep exploring.